Hi everyone, in this video we'll be looking into ideal gases and what they are and how they are used. Firstly, the definition of ideal gases. Now, ideal gases are any gases that abide by the ideal gas laws. They're kind of imagined as gases that don't exist, but kind of epitomize all the properties of gas and thus can be used in deriving a lot of gas laws as well as in calculations. And some of their properties includes the fact that firstly, there is no IMF in between the ideal gases. There's no intermolecular forces between any of the ideal gas particles. Secondly, they undertake perfectly elastic collisions. And I'll explain what that means in just a second. The statement that they undertake perfectly elastic collisions just means that there's no conversion of energy when the particles collide. This is to say that kinetic energy that's possessed by one particle before and after the collision are kind of equal. So if we were to hit a particle with another, that wouldn't change kinetic energy and thermal energy in the system. It would still remain as kinetic energy, and that is what's meant by perfectly elastic collisions. Thirdly, ideal gases are known to not be influenced by the force of gravity. So they're not influenced by the force of gravity. And lastly, ideal gases, they simply do not exist in reality. However, all gases, when we do any calculations, they are assumed to be ideal gases.